came across this pack of 6 smaller size fidgets, and we're assembling some Easter baskets, and I'm going to put these in the baskets. They are colorful, and they're going to keep little hands busy and engaged. I like that these have a variety of different colors, and they are able to be used as a fidget. You can pop them, or you could also do basic math, counting, number patterns, and simple math while enjoying these as a fidget toy as well. But durable, classroom ready, homeschool ready, toddler ready, sturdy, easy to clean, designed for the enthusiastic little learners. The only downside is, hey, you know what? You'll probably end up popping them like I am right now. But they're very satisfying, they're cute, and enjoy.